Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the men out there. Essential hair care tips. It's time to step up your grooming game and ensure you have healthy, great-looking hair. We all know how important it is to look after yourself, and your hair is no exception. Whether you're rocking a short back and sides or something a bit longer, taking care of your hair can make a real difference. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, it's crucial to understand your hair type. Just like with skincare, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to hair care. What works for your mate might not work for you. Is your hair straight, curly, wavy, or even thinning? Each hair type has its own personality, you know. Straight hair can sometimes be a bit stubborn, while curly hair needs a bit more love and moisture. Wavy hair, well, it's somewhere in between. And if you're dealing with thinning hair, don't worry. There are ways to work with it and make it look its best. Understanding your hair type is the first step to figuring out what products and routines will work best for you. It's about finding what makes your hair happy. You know what I mean? One of the main hair care essentials for men is finding the right shampoo and conditioner. These two products are the foundation of any good hair care routine. This is where it gets personal, gents. Your hair is unique, and so are its needs. Look for products that suit your specific hair type and address any concerns you may have. Whether you have curly, straight, thick, or thin hair, there's a product out there for you. Got dandruff? There's a shampoo for that. Anti-dandruff shampoos contain active ingredients like zinc pyrithione or ketoconazole to help reduce flakiness and soothe your scalp. Oily scalp? They've got you covered. Look for clarifying shampoos that can help control excess oil without stripping your hair of its natural moisture. Dry and damaged hair? There are products designed to bring it back to life. Deep conditioning treatments and leave-in conditioners can provide the extra hydration and repair your hair needs. Remember, lads, shampoo and conditioner are not just about getting clean. They're about nourishing your hair from the inside out. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. But here's the thing, don't go overboard with the washing. Using too much shampoo can be just as bad as not using enough. Shampooing every day can strip away the natural oils your hair needs, leaving it dry and brittle. These oils are essential for keeping your hair soft and manageable. Find a balance that works for you, whether it's every other day or a couple of times a week. Listen to your hair and adjust your routine as needed. Your hair will thank you for it. Now, let's talk about the actual washing process. Washing your hair might seem like a simple task, but there's a lot more to it than just getting your hair wet and applying some shampoo. It's a ritual that, when done correctly, can significantly improve the health and appearance of your hair. It's not just about slapping on some shampoo and hoping for the best. The way you wash your hair can make a big difference in how it looks and feels. There's a bit of an art to it, a technique if you will. Mastering this technique can help you achieve the best results for your hair type and condition. Start by wetting your hair thoroughly with warm water. This step is crucial as it helps to open up the hair cuticles, allowing the shampoo to penetrate deeply and cleanse effectively. Not too hot, mind you, as hot water can dry out your scalp. Hot water strips away the natural oils that protect your scalp and hair, leading to dryness and potential damage. Then, apply a small amount of shampoo to your palms and work it into a lather. The amount of shampoo you need depends on the length and thickness of your hair, but generally, a quarter-sized amount is sufficient. Gently massage the shampoo into your scalp using your fingertips, working from your hairline to the back of your neck. This not only cleanses your scalp but also stimulates blood flow, promoting healthy hair growth. Avoid using your nails, as this can irritate the scalp. Instead, use the pads of your fingers to create a gentle, circular motion. Rinse the shampoo thoroughly, making sure there's no residue left behind. Residual shampoo can lead to buildup, making your hair look dull and lifeless. Now it's time for conditioner. Conditioner is essential for replenishing moisture and nutrients that shampoo can strip away. Apply it mainly to the lengths and ends of your hair, as this is where it needs the most moisture. The ends of your hair are the oldest and most prone to damage, so they benefit the most from the conditioning treatment. Leave it in for a minute or two to let it work its magic, then rinse thoroughly with cool water. This waiting period allows the conditioner to penetrate the hair shaft and provide maximum hydration. The cool water helps to seal the hair cuticles, leaving your hair looking shiny and healthy. Sealing the cuticles also helps to lock in moisture, making your hair more manageable and less prone to frizz. Now, let's talk about haircuts, lads. Regular haircuts are not just for women, they are equally important for men too. Think of it like this. Regular trims keep your hair in check, just like regular training keeps your body in shape. It's about maintenance, about looking and feeling your best. Getting a haircut every 4 to 6 weeks helps maintain a neat appearance, prevents split ends, and can even make your hair look thicker. And don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. A good haircut can really enhance your features and give you a confidence boost. Talk to your barber or stylist about what styles might suit your face shape and hair type. They're the experts after all. Time to talk about daily styling, gentlemen. The key here is to find a routine that works for you and your hair type. First things first, choose the right tools. A wide-toothed comb is great for detangling wet hair, while a brush with natural bristles can help distribute oils and add shine. If you're using heat styling tools like blow dryers or straighteners, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand to prevent damage. Now, for the products. A little goes a long way, gents. Start with a small amount of styling gel, wax, or pomade, and work it through your hair to achieve your desired style. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and your hair type. Just like your skin, your hair needs protection from the elements, especially the sun and heat. Too much sun exposure can dry out your hair, leaving it brittle and prone to breakage. If you're going to be spending time outdoors, wear a hat to protect your scalp and hair. You can also use a leave-in conditioner with UV protection to shield your hair from the sun's harmful rays. And let's not forget about heat styling tools. If you're a fan of the blow dryer or straightener, make sure to use a heat protectant spray before applying any heat to your hair. This will create a barrier between your hair and the heat, preventing damage and keeping your hair looking its best. Brushing your hair may seem like a no-brainer, but there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. Many people don't realize that improper brushing can lead to hair damage, breakage, and even hair loss over time. So let's dive into the best practices for brushing your hair to keep it healthy and strong. First, choose the right brush. The type of brush you use can make a significant difference in the health of your hair. A wide-toothed comb or a brush with natural bristles is best for most hair types. These tools are gentle on your hair and help to minimize breakage and split ends. Avoid using a brush with plastic bristles, as this can cause breakage. Plastic bristles can create static and lead to more tangles, making your hair more prone to damage. When brushing your hair, start from the ends and work your way up to the roots. This method helps to gently detangle any knots without causing unnecessary stress on your hair. This helps to gently detangle any knots without pulling or tugging at your hair. By starting at the ends, you can work through tangles more effectively and prevent breakage. Be gentle, especially when your hair is wet, as it's more prone to breakage. Wet hair is more elastic and can stretch more easily, which means it can snap if you're too rough. And remember, less is more when it comes to brushing. Overbrushing can lead to hair damage and scalp irritation. Overbrushing can actually do more harm than good, stripping away natural oils and irritating your scalp. Your scalp produces natural oils that are essential for keeping your hair healthy and shiny. A few strokes are all you need to distribute oils and keep your hair looking tidy. By brushing just enough to distribute these oils, you can maintain a healthy balance and keep your hair looking its best. So, take your time, be gentle, and your hair will thank you for it. And that wraps up our essential hair care tips for men. Remember, healthy and well-groomed hair is an essential part of your overall appearance. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Take care of your hair, experiment with different styles, and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new products, get regular trims, and embrace your unique style. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more grooming content. Until next time, take care and stay stylish.